Well, these floor-to-ceiling windows truly allow you to appreciate all of Miami Beach. And speaking of windows, let's see what Tack Renata from FHIA has for us today.
So my little guy at home has a lot of questions about what his dad does and how we help families. So we decided to bring him along to see a great installation and how we're able to protect homes and protect families for the hurricane season. So Lex, now that we're here, you have any questions for me?
Yeah, so Dad, this house looks pretty cool and the windows just look fine. So what's wrong with them?
What's wrong with them is you're right, they're fine. They're fine during the rest of the year, but unfortunately for this family, the father really wanted to have better protection for his home and his family. So he asked us to come out because he was tired of putting plywood in front of the glass to protect them from a hurricane. So he wanted to change out the windows, and he chose a really strong window so that if a hurricane does come, the family's going to be really safe and they're going to feel really secure in the home. We're really fortunate that he gave us this opportunity.
All right, so Dad, this looks like a pretty cool window. Is this the one that I chose?
Yeah, this is the window they chose, and this should look familiar to you because they're actually the same windows we have in our house. And we ordered the windows for us just like this family ordered for them because it provides great hurricane protection. They also wanted the benefits of making the home more comfortable, and it makes the home a lot more cooler in the summertime, and it saves them a lot of money on their energy bills.
All right, so Dad, this looks like a lot of work. What's happening here?
You're right, Lex. There is a lot of work required here, and there's a great reason why the family chose our company to do this project is because you can't see what was going to be necessary when we initially met with them during the consultation. And when our installation teams removed the existing windows, they found out that structurally it wasn't strong enough to support the new windows that we were putting in. So we rebuilt this entire opening and reframed this entire space so that when the new strong hurricane window goes in, it's going to all work together to protect this home and this family. And they're going to be really happy with this decision because we did a lot of extra work for them with no additional cost to them. So everything was included. So they're really happy with that decision.
Wow, Dad, I didn't know you do so much to protect people.
Yeah, we're really lucky that so many families asked us to protect not only their homes but also their families. So our crews do a great job to ensure everyone is protected and everyone is safe for the hurricane seasons.
Back to you, Elena.